Let me guess. If someone talked to you the way you talk to yourself, you'd block them, delete their number, and maybe sage your whole house. But because it's coming from your own brain, suddenly it's normal. Today, let's fix that. Let's talk about how to stop being your own worst enemy so you can actually stop sabotaging your goals and maybe even become someone you actually enjoy living with. Look, this isn't about blaming yourself. It's about noticing the patterns. You want to start something, but tell yourself you'll fail anyway. You want to try something new, but you talk yourself out of it. You want to be productive, but suddenly doing nothing sounds safer. Most people think they need more discipline or motivation or the perfect morning routine with 19 steps. Nope. You need to stop fighting yourself. Step 1. Catch your inner saboteur. Your brain has a voice that sounds like you, but it isn't always on your side. Sometimes it's just a scared roommate throwing negative thoughts around like confetti. When you hear things like, "Why bother? You're not good enough," or "Someone else would do this better," try this trick. Name the voice. Call it Karen, Bob, Pickle the Anxiety Penguin, anything. Why? Because when you name it, you create distance. Now it's not you saying you can't do it. It's Pickle the Penguin having another meltdown. And suddenly it's a lot easier not to take it too seriously. Step 2. Do the opposite. If your inner saboteur says, "Don't try, you'll fail," you say, "Cool story, but I'm doing it anyway." This technique is basically a mic drop from behavioral psychology. When your fear chooses a direction, walk the opposite way. Fear says, "Don't post that project." You post it. Fear says, "Don't go to the gym." You grab your shoes. Fear says, "Don't speak up." You raise your hand. You don't need confidence, just the tiny, rebellious second. Step 3. Be kinder than you think you deserve. You've survived every bad day ever. Shouldn't you be on your own team by now? Start talking to yourself the way you talk to a stressed friend. You're learning. You're trying. It's okay to be imperfect. Let's take it one step at a time. Self-compassion isn't some soft, fluffy thing. It's actually what makes you unstoppable. You can't grow while constantly punching yourself in the face. Step 4. Build a tiny promise habit. Stopping self-sabotage is basically about becoming someone you trust. Pick one tiny promise you can keep daily. Drink one glass of water. Stretch for 20 seconds. Write one sentence. Read one page. Do one push-up. Clean one item. These small wins add up. Your brain learns, wait, we actually do what we say now? And slowly, the internal war quiets down. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're not doomed to sabotage yourself forever. You're just a human with an overprotective brain that's trying to keep you safe, badly. But now you know how to take your power back. Catch the inner enemy, do the opposite, be kind to yourself, and keep tiny promises. If you do these consistently, you'll stop being your own worst enemy and become someone that future you is really grateful for. If you enjoyed this and want more videos like it, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Or don't, I'm not your mom. But seriously, you deserve to stop fighting yourself and start living your life. See you in the next one.